In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set custom status on Discord. A custom status is a short note that appears next to your name across Discord, letting friends and teammates know what you're up to, whether you're busy, away from keyboard, or open to chat. It's quick to set, easy to edit, and a great way to share context without sending a message. Start by moving your mouse to the bottom left corner of the Discord window. You'll see your user panel with your avatar and the small controls for mute and settings. Click on your profile area there. That opens the status menu, where you manage how you appear to others. Next, look for the little plus icon next to your avatar in that menu and click it. This opens the custom status editor. You'll see a text field ready for your message. Type a short line that says what you want people to know, something like, "In a meeting," "Studying," or "Back later." Aim for clear and concise, so it reads well in member lists and direct messages. If you want to add some personality, use the emoji option right beside the field. Pick an emoji that matches your message, like a notebook for studying or a coffee cup if you're on a quick break. The emoji helps your status stand out at a glance. You can also choose how long the status should stay active. Set when the custom status will appear until, whether that's just a little while, the rest of the day, or a longer stretch. Selecting a duration ensures your status automatically clears when it's no longer relevant. If you prefer, you can let it stick around until you change it again. And there you go. Once you've written your message, chosen an emoji, and picked a duration, your custom status shows up under your name across servers and in DMs, giving others a helpful heads up. Keep it friendly and avoid sharing personal details. Remember, your presence, online, idle, do not disturb, or invisible, still works alongside your custom status, so people will see both. For best results, keep your text under a sentence, skip slang that might confuse others, and choose an emoji that's easy to recognize on both light and dark themes. If you're in multiple communities, a neutral message like working or away avoids mixed signals, and if plans change, just pop back into the same menu and update the line so it stays accurate. That's all. With just a couple of clicks, you've made your Discord presence more informative and considerate for everyone you interact with.